Since you left me, I never really tried to put my life back where it should belong. And I've always let the past go by. I'm realizing that it could be wrong, but now I finally knew I had to let it go to make way for a brighter tomorrow.